Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of kick up we click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above we can search about kick up. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode. And you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.